Jake, you've been with McGrath Townsville for over 4 years now, starting out as part of the Brad Matheson team. What was that experience like for you?
It was invaluable, working alongside Brad and the team, being part of more than 250 sales, just learning firsthand how high performance teams operate. The systems, client care, the attention to detail, gave me a strong foundation, showing me the standards I needed just to be successful in the industry.
And now you're building your own team within the business. What's that transition been like?
It's exciting. I get to take everything I've learned from being part of Team Brad and applying it to leading my own team now. Having the McGrath culture and leadership, the systems around me just make the transition so much smoother. Having the business assist with recruitment and onboarding my first team member, it's just been huge for me.
What do you see as the biggest advantage a great team brings to the marketplace?
Well, it's the level of service and the results. When you've got a team working together with clear roles, you're more responsive, more strategic, clients get better overall service. That's what McGrath stands for, really. Professionalism, collaborating, the results. It's exactly what I wanted my team to be known for anyway.
And finally, Jake, what's been the biggest benefit for you being part of McGrath as you build your career?
It's the culture and the leadership. I've always felt supported, whether I was learning as part of Team Brad and now transitioning into building my own team, the brand, the training, and just people around you making a huge difference. It gives me the platform to grow to the agent and the leader I'm hoping to be.
Jake, it's fantastic to see your journey come full circle, being part of a high-performing team and now leading one of your own. Congratulations.
Thanks, mate. It's been an amazing journey so far. I'm excited for what's ahead here at McGrath.